In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to backup WordPress with a plugin. So what you're going to have to do here is, and also if you find this helpful, make sure you subscribe and like this video, I really appreciate it. So what you're going to have to do is just to click on manage here and sorry, not the here. We're going to click on websites and then here we're going to click on manage here, websites, manage, and then here we can click on the admin panel. So let's click on admin panel. All right, and now what you're gonna have to do here is to go to plugins and we want to add a new plugin. So let's click on add a new plugin. And then here in the search bar, write Updraft Plus. Search for it. This one is right over here. Backup, restore or migrate your website, your WordPress website to another host or domain, schedule backups or run manually. Let's click on install now. And now it's installed, so now we can go to settings right over here. And now here we're gonna see something beautiful. We're gonna have this new app. We have this new app installed, this new plugin. As you can see, you can click on here to activate. And welcome to Updraft Plus. Let's click on get started. And now here, not in settings, sorry, but here the app is gonna pop up. And now from here, we can actually back up our website. So let's click on backup. We'll include everything. I'll just click on backup, request a backup. You can from here backup and restore. You can migrate and clone. I think for some of them you need to upgrade to their premium feature if I'm saying correctly. Settings, you have some settings here, advanced tools, and some also premium and extensions. Okay, you can get it here, and you have other features you see here, like with the premium you have cloning and migration. But if you only have the backup, you only want to backup and to remote storage locations, only want to backup, you can do it on the free version. Cloning, this is paid network backup WordPress, non-WordPress files and databases. Good, but you need to pay for the pro version, for the premium version. And fast support, okay, you're gonna see, you can look at this by yourself, but that's now we have a backup right over here, and we can restore this backup, we can delete, we can view file log from here, which is nice. It's awesome. We have the backup here. We can select delete, select all the backups, deselect database, plugins, themes, uploads, and others. Backup date, click to download if you want to. You can click to download, and here you're gonna see everything you just created, you just backed up. So existing backups, you can restore, delete, and here you can see the database, plugins, download to your computer if you want to, or just the plugins, but just the database can download to my computer, download, delete from your web server, sorry. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. I thought it was pretty interesting to share this with you, even though it's a short video, which I do share quite a lot on my YouTube channel, but I thought of sharing this as well. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you have more suggestions about about a Hostinger or WordPress, leave your questions down below. Tell me where you're from, and thanks for watching, and take care.